Okay, today we're going to boost your laptop's battery runtime. We will start by turning off apps that are unnecessarily forcing your CPU to work hard, which is eating up your battery. Right-click on Start, then click on Task Manager. Click on the Performance tab. This is not good. Almost half the memory is being consumed by programs, and this is while the laptop is just idling. The goal is to get this number down as low as possible. So let's click on the Startup Apps tab. Right-click on Adobe. Select Disable. Do this for apps that you don't use. The list on the right are common apps that eat up system memory that don't have to be running on startup. As a word of caution, if you are not sure about an app, please leave it alone. Let's go ahead and restart. After restarting, let's go back into Task Manager. Much better now. Next, we are going to remove apps we don't use to free up space and resources. Click on Start, then All, then right-click on 3D Viewer. Select Uninstall. Some apps take you to the Apps page, so just uninstall it there. Remove apps that you don't use or are redundant, like Cortana, Feedback Hub, LinkedIn, Mixed Reality Portal, etc. Now we'll tidy up our hard drive. Click Start and type in Disk Cleanup and select it. Check all the boxes, click OK, and then Delete Files. It may take a few minutes depending on how big and how much clutter needs to be removed, so please be patient. Okay, now we have reached the fun part. We are going to maximize your laptop's battery runtime by tweaking its power settings. For this, we are going to create power plans, which allows you to easily adapt your laptop's performance based on your use case. As a reminder, all the commands you see here are available on the video's description for easy reference and copying and pasting. We will begin by clicking on Start. Type in the letters C, M, and then D. You'll see Command Prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Type in the word power, then C, F, G, a blank space, then dash and list, then press Enter. We have two power plans here. Click and hold to drag, and highlight these two power plans. Press Ctrl-C to copy. Then we'll go to our Notes document here and press Ctrl-V to paste, or right-click. But before we continue, we have to check two things. Click Start and type in Power Plan. Select Choose Power Plan. Click Change Plan Settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. We are looking for two things: processor power management and system cooling policy. It appears we have the first one, so we will add the second one. We will highlight the System Cooling Policy command here and copy it. Then we'll go back to Command Prompt and Ctrl-V to paste it. Press Enter. Looks like it was successfully added. Now, if go back to Power Plans and check it again, System Cooling Policy is available. Here's a quick overview of our power plans. Our first is called Power Save, and it's for when you're doing small tasks and want to maximize your battery, such as taking notes during lecture, watching online tutorials, and doing homework and research. Next, we have Balanced. Use this when you need a little extra horsepower for important deliverables like presentations and online exams. Lastly, we have high performance. When you need max speed for heavy-duty tasks like video editing, simulation modeling, and computer-aided drafting. Now let's go back to the plans we copied. We have two existing here and just need to create a third power plan. Go back to Edit Power Plans, go up to the breadcrumbs and click Power Options. Go to the left side and click Create. Highlight it and change the name to Power Save. Click Next. Then click Create. Now we have all three power plans available, but we just need to copy the one we just made. Go back to Command Prompt again. Again, type in power CFG space dash list and press Enter. Highlight the power save plan and copy it. Paste it into the notes. Now we are going to tweak each power plan. We will start with Power Save. Go back to Power Options and select Change Plan Settings for Power Save. Click Advanced Power Settings. Click the Processor Power Management dropdown. Select System Cooling Policy. Set it to Passive. If you have a really powerful CPU, set this to Active to keep your laptop's cooling fans spinning while on battery. Then click on Maximum Processor State. On battery. Then set it between 50 and 70%. Then click Apply and OK. Repeat these steps for balanced and high performance. Now let's tweak the screen's brightness for each power plan. Click on Start. Type in Mobility Center. Select Windows Mobility Center. Go back to Power Options and select Power Save. Now go back to Mobility Center and drag the display brightness to 50%. Feel free to go higher or lower based on your viewing preference. Repeat these steps for balanced and high performance. Lastly, we need to make shortcuts so we can easily switch between plans with one click. Open up your Documents folder. Right-click and create a new folder. Name it Power Plans, then double-click to go inside of it. Now right-click and select Shortcut. Type in Power CFG, then space dash set active, and then the Power Save ID. Here it is up close. Click Next and rename it to Power Save. Click Finish. Now right-click on that Power Save shortcut and select Properties. Click Change Icon. Copy and paste this Change Icon directory link. As a reminder, this is available on the video's description for easy reference and copying. Copy and paste it into the search box. Click OK and then select the battery. Click OK and then OK again. Right-click on the shortcut and select Pin to start. Repeat these steps with balanced and high performance. And we are done. Now you can easily switch to get more battery runtime for taking notes and online research, or get an extra speed bump for executing the perfect presentation, or tap into max speed to get that semester project done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content.